Oredo local government don ready to unveil online services platform wey dem prepare to change the way local government administration take dey engage with citizens, and say the innovation service delivery go remove anyhow overbilling and go encourage flexibility, reliability and convenience. Chairman Oredo Local Government Council Dr. Tom Obaseki yarn tori pipo dis one on Monday 25 March 2024 for one talk session wey dem take pre-launch the online services platform for Oredo Local Government Council Secretariat for Benin City. Dr. Tom come tok say the launch wey go shele for Orokpota Hall for King Square by 10 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday, March 27th go promote transparency for governance and resident-friendly experience, and say the services go dey accessible 24/7 and e go give opportunities to Oredo residents to access plenty services from anywhere wey dem dey and even from their room kpakpa.
As we announce the imminent unveiling of an innovation service delivery with unsailing citizens' experience, Oredo Online Services Platform, a breakthrough cutting-edge platform, is poised to transform the way local government administration engages with their citizens. Oredo Online Services Platform boasts a plethora of features tailored to meet the diverse needs of citizens and residents of Oredo. Some of its key functionalities include convenience, flexibility, and reliability. For example, if you reside in California and you want a birth certificate for your son or child, you don't need to send anybody to come to Oredo. Just from the comfort of your home in California, you can make a request for a birth certificate, local government authority for your child, and it's delivered to you right there in California. Oredo Online Services Platform promotes transparency in governance and residents friendly experiences. It is accessible 24 hours, 7 days, and offers a platform for citizens to access multiple services remotely and from the comfort of their homes while eliminating indiscriminate, selective, and excessive billing. The launching date of Oredo Online Services Platform is scheduled for Wednesday, 27th of March 2024 at Orokpota Hall, King Square, Benin City by 10 a.m. prompt. Our aim is to take the lead in digitalizing the process of rendering services to residents at local government level, making it more efficient and seamless.
Among the services wey the online platform services dey offer na local government of Orange identification certificates, marriage registration, burial permits and many more. According to the chairman, their aim na to take the lead for digitizing the process for local government level and to make am more efficient and easy.
Oredo Online Services Platform is an automated and innovative service delivery platform initiated and executed by your government, our administration, that will render various services to Oredo residents in a timely, seamless, and efficient manner. The digital platform has also been designed to automate access to services in a way that anywhere in the world, citizens of Oredo can have access to services such as local government origin and identification certificates, marriage certificates, burial permits, and other services without being physically present. We use this medium to invite the people of Oredo and everyone around the world to the launch of Oredo Online Services Platform. Your presence will contribute to the success of the launch and demonstrate your support for innovation and creativity, especially when such initiative is geared towards making life easy for Oredo residents. We look forward to welcoming you to this exciting services launch on Wednesday, 27th of March 2024 as Oredo innovates the world. You are welcome to your Oredo, my Oredo, our Oredo.
Make una not forget say Oredo local government area na the center point of different ethnic groups with population of approximately 536,827 according to 2006 census. Oredo can still be the most urbanized government area for Edo State, and it not only serves as the state capital but also the seat of the state government and the palace of the Oba of Benin. Make una not forget say as we see am, Na so we dey tok am, we no dey take blame. From Oredo local government area of Edo State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.